another question I remember, if somebody have on Shabbos, at Shabbos towel. So first of all, why this question was asked to begin with, right? That's a very good question. So it's laws of Shabbos. So it's proper to have designate things specifically for Shabbos, like separate. Even though they could be like the same quality. For example, somebody cannot afford like higher quality. There is no problem. But let's say we bought towels, right? So I'm going to start new towels. I'm going to use only for Shabbos. Let's say I use it 5 times, 10 times for 3 months, 10 months, and then I'm going to transfer them to regular towels, and I'm going to take the new ones, and I'm going to use it for Shabbos and holidays. That's a proper way of doing things. If you can buy something very fancy schmancy, of course it's better. So the problem is the question was if it says Shabbos on a towel, if you can wipe your hands. There is no problem. You can wipe your hands. And so it's today everything is very, very commercialized, right? So today in Judaica store, I saw not today, but I saw some time ago. It's not funny. So why did I see it? So one of my students asked, like she wanted to buy this towel for her little son, and she asked she told me, like, if I and my husband are going to wipe the hands in the little towel, it's it's not enough for both of us. I was like, why little towel? Why do you even ask a question? I say, I don't understand why you sell bigger towel. She sent me this link from Judaica store. So it says on a towel Netilas Yadayim. So it says exactly. So if you want like embroidery on Netilas Yadayim, yeah, that's what you do for kids. But you can use any towel. So you understand. But it's some people who do not know in their mind that that's the only towel it must be used. But with Shabbos, of course, there is no problem. It's no desecration to the name, even though the Shabbos is the holy, but the sign is not necessarily so. Okay.